Hi, it's Christy from What If It's Amazing. I'm in my room right now, and so we were in Walmart, and right now we just have this little sandwich maker to cook with, and it's getting kind of boring eating sandwiches all the time. So I found these things. I'm going to show you what they are. And so for under $9, we're now able to heat up water and heat up food and stuff, which is kind of cool. And we can take it with us when we go to the next location. So I'm really happy about that. So I'm gonna spin the camera around and explain what we got. Okay, so we got this little thing, and it's like a little stove thing, and then this is like the alcohol. So you open that with a spoon, and then you light this, and it makes a fire inside. And to shut it off, you just put the lid back on, and then it goes in here, like that. And then so that we got that, and then I got these. They were 25 pesos each, and so we can heat up water for noodles, or I bought these little packets of zoodles for the boys, and so that can just go on there like that and heat up. Of course, we'll use it outside. I got 2 of them so that to make cooking easier, so we can heat one up for the boys and then one for us, and we can wash them out easily. And then we even got the lighter to go with it. So all of that was like under $9. And then it's really cool here because these like zoodles, I got them at Walmart, and so instead of coming in a can, they come in a packet and you add water. And so we got those. We got 4 of them. So yeah, it's kind of cool. And we got a dinosaur one as well. And so that's kind of what we bought for lunches for the boys. So I'm kind of excited that we can cook again.